Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken stock from scratch. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of chicken bones, like backs and necks, for a rich flavor. Also, prepare 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 large onion, all roughly chopped. Don't forget 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorns, and a few fresh parsley stems to complete your aromatic base. This simple combination is key to a flavorful stock. Now, let's get cooking. Place all your chicken bones and vegetables into a large stock pot. Cover everything with about 12 to 16 cups of cold water. This helps extract maximum flavor. Bring the pot to a gentle simmer over medium heat, then immediately reduce the heat to low. For the first 30 minutes, carefully skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. This step ensures a clear and clean-tasting stock. After simmering, it's time to strain your golden liquid. Let the stock gently simmer for at least 3 to 4 hours, or even up to 6 hours for an even richer, more concentrated flavor. Once it's ready, carefully strain the entire contents through a fine mesh sieve, ideally lined with cheesecloth, into a clean bowl. This removes all solids, leaving you with a clear stock. Rapidly cool the strained stock in an ice bath before refrigerating. Proper storage is crucial for enjoying your homemade stock. Once completely cooled, transfer your chicken stock to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. For longer storage, freeze the stock in smaller, usable portions. It can last for up to 6 months in the freezer. This makes it super convenient for future recipes. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.